Elsinore Municipal Water District is dedicated to delivering high-quality water to our customers. One process in maintaining high-quality standards is to flush the lines at fire hydrants and valves located throughout the service area. Before flushing a line, EVMWD tests water samples for water quality standards. Once recorded, a line is prepared for flushing. Flushing the lines or cleaning the pipeline at a high velocity removes stagnant water and fine sediments that may settle in the bottom of the pipes over time.
I'm Mike Ali. I'm the Water Quality Administrator at Elsinore Valley Municipal Water District. Flushing of the lines improves the water quality aesthetically. It ensures that water delivered to the household meets drinking water standards. It also helps maintain the pipes.
Once the flushing is complete, samples are again taken and water is checked for clarity and other standards required by the state.
So we're testing water not just as we produce it and as we treat it, but water as it's delivered to your household. So this ensures that we are tracking the quality of water from inception to delivery. And that's big for us because that tells us that the quality of the water is safe throughout the process as well as at your tap.
When possible, EVMWD will capture flush water that can be reused by local contractors for construction projects. It can also be directed towards our sewer collection system and sent to one of our treatment plants, where it is treated to standards set by the state and returned to our system as recycled water. Routine flushing ensures EVMWD will continue delivering safe and high-quality water to your household now and into the future. For more information about EVMWD's flushing program, visit www.evmwd.com.